Presenting a pre-owned 2020 BMW. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.0-liter i6 engine with all-wheel drive and an 8-speed shiftable auto transmission. This BMW is a great value with less than 47,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 20 miles per gallon in the city and 25 miles per gallon on the highway. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, navigation system, wireless data link, moonroof, roof rails, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, battery saver, trailer hitch, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, blind spot safety, child seat anchors, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.